Hi, I'm Joy Lawrence. Welcome to my video on how to format a page in MLA format. The first thing we're going to want to do is change the font. We're going to make it Times New Roman, 12-point font. Then we're going to want to make sure that our spacing is all double spaced. So you'll click there on where it says paragraph. And over here under line spacing, you'll make sure that's double. And we don't want any extra spaces in between paragraphs. So we're going to want to make sure that the spacing before and after are both set to 0. And then also click on that box where it says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Now we're going to type our heading. The first piece of information that comes is your name. So let's use Tony Stark. Then you're going to include your professor's name, and do refer to them as either professor or doctor. I mean, only if they have a doctorate, but if they don't, then professor. You don't want to use Ms. or Mrs. or Mr. here. Next, you're going to put the class, whatever class that is, and then you're going to put the date. And for MLA format, it goes day, month, year. So you put the day, then the month, then the year. It's very specific. Next, you're going to want to create a header. So one way to access the header is to put your cursor up towards the top and double click. Now, first we want to make sure that it's over here in the upper right corner. So we're going to go to the Home tab and align that to the right. Now notice that even though we already changed the font for the main portion of the page, up here in the header, it's still set to Calibri. So you're going to want to make sure to change that to Times New Roman, 12-point font. Then you're going to type in your last name, hit the space bar, and you're going to insert the page number. If you just put a 1 there, then it's not going to move forward on the next page. You'll have a 1 on every page, and you want it to progress, 1, 2, 3, etc. You're going to insert, so you click on that Insert tab, page number, current position, plain. Let's do that again. Insert, page number, current position, plain. There we've got our page number. We can double click on the main part of the page to get out of that header. You also want to have a title. And again, you don't want to have a whole bunch of extra spaces. One of the points of MLA format is to make sure that there's double spacing all the way throughout to keep it consistent. So you're just going to have one space, just like you hit it once. And you don't want to have quadruple space. You're going to just double space throughout. You're going to want to center your title. So go to that Home tab, center it. And you want your title to be something that reflects what your essay is going to be about, and it should also have, it should be something fairly interesting, not essay number 1, essay number 2, something that is unique to your essay. I hope this helps you with formatting your documents in MLA format, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.